Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make noodle for kalguksu and then the procedure of chicken kalguksu. For the noodle, I add 4 cups of all-purpose flour and then 1 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. And then I add 1 tablespoon of salt and then 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add any oil if you want. Then mix them together and then add cold water, 2 cups, and mix them together. Start kneading the dough using your hand. This is very hard procedure and then very dry. So keep them in the refrigerator shortly, around 10 minutes, and then transfer them in the plastic bag. 10 minutes later, I sprinkle some flour on the table and then I start kneading the dough again. This time a little bit soft already. And then move them back in the plastic and put in the refrigerator for around 10 minutes more. I keep repeating this procedure 3 times so that I can have stretchy and then good quality of noodle. As you can see, the dough is soft now. Just keep kneading them. This is the 3rd time I put the dough in the refrigerator. And once the dough is ready, it's very soft now. I cut the dough in half because I will keep the other one in the refrigerator so I can use that anytime. Meanwhile, I will knead this one and make noodle for the chicken kalguksu. On the table, flatten the dough using rolling pin, just like that. Keep flattening the dough until you can have thin shape, rounded and thin. And once it's ready, you can start folding by adding all-purpose flour and then fold, add all-purpose flour and fold, and then start cutting. The reason why I keep adding flour while folding the dough earlier is not to stick them together. Cut the dough evenly and then start moving them one by one, just like that. As you can see, it's very long and then stretchy. You can unfold them in group also, just like that, to make it faster. And then sprinkle more with all-purpose, not to stick to each other. Then our noodle is ready for chicken kalguksu. For the soup, prepare around 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. On a deep cooking pot, add 10 cups of water and then add the garlic, onion, ginger, and then jujube. I add also 1 tablespoon of salt. Once it's boiling, add the whole chicken. You can add any parts of chicken if you want. I boil the chicken for around 30 minutes. Once it's done, I remove the chicken and other ingredients from the water and then drain shortly. I remove the bone from the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is very soft. Prepare some green onion to sprinkle later. Also red chili, it's optional, but I want a little bit spicy on my soup. And then using egg yolks, I will make egg topping. The reason why I don't use white is my baby is allergic energy with egg white. In a frying pan, I start frying the yellow egg or the egg yolk, just like that, and then fold them and slice thinly like a noodle shape. Now the toppings are ready, then let's start cooking the noodle. I used the broth from the chicken earlier, then I just add little water and then bring it to boil and add the noodle. Cover it and cook around 5 minutes. Once the noodle is floating, it means already cooked. I add black pepper and then it's optional, it's up to you. Once done, prepare a bowl, transfer the noodle, add the soup, and then start the topping. I add chicken, fried egg yolk, then green onion, and then the chili. Hope you enjoy my recipe today. And then if you like this recipe, please subscribe on my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's check my husband's reaction on this soup.
Egg, noodle, and a piece of chicken.
맛있어? How's it? Tastes good?
Yep, Barbie.
How's it?
Good.
Really? Chosen like it. Chicken kalguksu. 맛있어?